shook your head slow when I chose my own way. I heard the doubt in every dinner room silence. Your words fell hard like rain on my shoulders, but I kept going with my hands still shaking, kept my dream alive while the whole house was breaking. You said I'd fall, you said I was lost, still I kept my heart even when it cost. I'm still here, I'm still here, I'm still here, though you never believe me. I'm still here, I'm still here, I built my road while you tried to leave me. You wanted the safe road, the one you could name, clean little answers and a life with a frame. But I was born with a storm in my pocket, a different kind of hope. You tried hard to stop it, and I know you worry, but worry can't wound when every good dream gets called too soon. I needed one chance, one open door, not 1,000 reasons to fear me more. I'm still here, I'm still here, I'm still here, though you never believe me. I'm still here, I'm still here, I built my road while you tried to leave me. Now look at the pieces I learned how to hold. The nights were bitter, but they made me bold. I don't need perfect, I just need true. And I found my strength when I stepped from you. I'm still here, I'm still here, I'm still here, and I made it through. I'm still here, I'm still here, say what you want, I'm still here for you.
check the vibe, it's the SD lifestyle. Turning up the kitchen, yeah, we do it with a smile. From the coldest savanna where the frost hits the ground. Got the secret flavor that's shaking up the town. One bite, switch it up, watch your senses ignite. A sweet little magic, yeah, we're cooking it right. It's a mouth-watering dream, dripping gold on the plate. Exclusive in the kitchen, yeah, you know it tastes great. So easy, so smooth, just a flick of the wrist. The kind of satisfaction that you can't resist. From the wild frozen plains to the global stage, we're flipping the script, yeah, we're turning the page. Mind-blowing taste, yeah, it's hitting the soul. Keeping it bold while we lose our control. The world's gonna feel it, the world's gonna know. The SD recipe, watch the flavor just grow. Simple, delicious, yeah, it's pure gold. The greatest story that's ever been told. So easy, so satisfying, crave it all day. The SD life, yeah, we do it our way, do it our way. Check the vibe, it's the SD lifestyle. Turning up the kitchen, yeah, we do it with a smile. From the coldest savanna where the frost hits the ground.